Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to make your own Linktree page with Shopify. So I'll be teaching you how to install the plugin or the tool for Shopify, as well as how to properly integrate it onto your store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple. And the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify admin panel or dashboard as an administrator. So it's this one right here. It goes, the URL goes admin.shopify.com. And when you guys go to configure your store, what we're looking to get access to here is the Shopify App Store. So there are two ways to get there. You can either click on apps like so, and click on apps and sales channel settings, or you can simply click on the search bar and type down Linktree. So Shopify will actually pull up the actual app that we can use for Linktree to integrate with our store, but I'll be showing you how to do it in case this method doesn't work. So click on apps, like I said, click on apps and sales channel settings, and it should take you to a new page. I'll pull up all of the compatible apps that go with your store. So from here, you can configure them, but if you want to add new apps to your Shopify store, you want to click on this button right here that says Shopify App Store. So this will redirect you to their apps page. And if you don't see a Linktree right away, you guys can click on the search bar like so, and just type down Linktree, just like that. And right away you'll see a Linktree as an option here for a plugin for your store. So you simply want to click on it, and they will take you to their store page. And from here, simply hit install. And what we're basically doing is we're letting we're authorizing Linktree to integrate with our Shopify store. So this way we get to use all of their built-in functions for our store, so we could turn more engagements into conversions. So let's actually refresh this. But it's pretty much the same procedure for when you guys go to install a new application for your store. Let's actually go back here. Let's do Linktree. Click on install. But yeah, that's it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.